Good morning. Welcome back to Building a House from Trees. In this week's episode, it's kind of another one of those odds and ends, wrapping up the subfloor upstairs around the new stairs, cutting down another tree for the long, clear 2x8s that I needed to mill for the second story deck, which should be next week's video, next Friday's. Something around there, and it's great. You're gonna really like it out there. And just, yeah, odds and ends. Cleaning up and tuning up and finishing various little projects. Ooh, and some front steps, some proper front steps. So let's just jump right into it. Hope everybody's doing okay, and I hope you're enjoying the content, and thank you very much. Creeping up on 10,000 subscribers here, so if you can think of anything special I should do for that, leave it in the comments below. I don't know about this sort of thing, so giveaways? I don't know. What can I give away? Syrup? How? What's the process? I don't know any of this stuff. But anyway, thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next week. All right, so you can see this is a little funny, isn't it? It's sticking out. Well, when I framed this floor in, I wasn't exactly sure about the layout of the stairs, and now I am. And so I've got to move this 8 inches from here over to here, which is pretty straightforward, pretty easy, and shouldn't be much of a problem. And then finish that little cap right there. I closed this up basically as soon as I finished framing it, and I haven't even really had a chance to look out of where this is. This is going to be the door, this kind of patio door thing, not a slider, but just a regular door, but this is the entrance out of the master bedroom. I hate that term. Onto the second story deck, and just the view of the woods and stuff. So I'm taking it down because I need this stuff. I need to finish the subfloor up here. Well, that's nice. See, I'm so distractible. Future deck. Current sawdust pile. Bueno. Okay. There is the stairwell. Done. It's done for now. The subfloor is down, and the construction stairs are done. They're going to be here for a while, probably years. Maybe not. I don't know. It depends on how long the rest of the project takes. But yeah, I'm real happy with how this looks and how this feels. And as far as like steps going up and down, it's really nice. Oh man. Yeah, that's great. And a nice little finished face, kind of. And that view. God, I gotta clean that crap up. So you've probably seen me bound up these stairs a couple times in the videos and whatever. But a few episodes ago, I talked about the crappy door that I made. These are the crappiest stairs that were ever made, as a matter of fact. It's unbelievably sketchy and dangerous, and I mean, there's just tripping hazards, everything's floppy, and there's one little nail holding this on. Like, this is just atrocious. Look at that. And I've just kind of like, it works. These huge steps. So anyway, today that's all gonna change. I'm gonna use the scraps from the stair building process and frame in some decent stairs and finish putting this door in correctly, temporary door in, you know, with a good stop right there. All right. So based on the 3 feet that I need and the fact that I don't really know how to do this on my own, I'm just going to copy this this pitch or whatever you want to call it, this rise and run. So it's 8 3/8 by 9, 8 3/8 high, 9 that way, and just kind of emulating what I see here because I can't think for myself. Yeah, just gonna pull a couple measurements here and then, all right, what do we got? That is all right, Mr. Gorbachev, let's go tear down these stairs. Shouldn't be that hard. I'm literally gonna burn them today. Oh, God. They were held on there with gravity. Well, that was easy. Well, that fits. I'm gonna have to tweak this a little bit, obviously, because this is a horrendous pile of trash. But that's it. It's great. I made a stair. I'm sorry for using that accent. They're great. There's another one. Bueno! Oh, so solid. Stairs abound. That's great. Good morning. So I've got to get some material, some long, clean, clear 2x8s, 16-foot 2x8s, 4 of them for the second story deck. And this here, this is the culprit. So this is, the video doesn't make it look that big, but oh, I don't know. This is 18 inches and nice and straight, very, very few knots, very few branches for the first 20 feet. And that's what I'm looking for. Get a bunch of really good logs out of here, and there's a ton of branches on it. So, and it's right in line with the sunset, any kind of fading light in the afternoon at this time of year. So it'll open up a little bit more light with also maintaining privacy from the road that's up there. So down it's gonna go. It's gonna make a little bit of a mess, which is okay. I'm gonna take it back there and try to thread the needle in there, not mess with any of those tops, and drop it right in that little patch of hardwoods. And then go through, buck it up, and get the limbs off. So here we go. I guess you've seen this before, haven't you? Alright, well that's what we're hoping for. I mean, that's exactly where I wanted it to go. And again, it's not a mistake that it went there. This directional felling, the Soren Eriksson school of thought of directional felling, you can put a tree almost exactly where you want, even without that cable. This is the way I generally cut trees down before I had that winch, but I had access to it. Thank you, Howes. Right where I wanted to go. Left those 2 tops up there, left both those big, good pines in good shape, and now I can get in here with the tractor, cut that log length I want, nip it all up, clean it up, pull it out, get it on the sawmill.
Well, it's almost spring, and it's been really sloppy down here, as it always is in the spring until I get this all done, and especially where the mill is, so I've been leaving it alone, and as such it's still reasonably okay. But it's a cold morning. It was down in the low 20s, high teens last night, so everything froze up nice and solid. So I'm up early to do a little bit of milling and clean up some of these logs. I'm going to start with that crooked cherry up there and see if I can get anything interesting out of there. Oh, I'm sure I can. A lot of neat shapes and crotches. And let's see if I can get this thing started. I've had it on the block heater going for a little bit this morning. Let's see if that see if it fires up. Good to make sure that's in neutral.
Can't imagine this will work, but I guess it's worth a try. Nope. Well, that was worth a try, but I guess I'm going to do it the hard way. 2 logs, sawed into some interesting shapes, and got some pretty cool figure in there and beautiful patterns. And I'm using this half log on top to weight the whole thing down. I may even strap it too. I don't know yet, but it's stickered and it's in a nice warm dry spot, so let's see what we get out of it. Well, it's a cold and beautiful morning, and I've got to take advantage of these hard ground mornings to get the last of the milling done for the season, at least for the spring season. Yeah, gotta wrap up getting a few more 2x8s and then some boards, turn these into some boards. All right.